Are we witnessing the death of big, heavy, expensive drones? Because if the latest leaks are true, the answer might be flying straight into your pocket. Have you ever felt tired of carrying bulky gear just to capture cinematic aerial shots? What if the era of large, complex flying cameras is finally coming to an end? For years, drone technology has been stuck in a trade-off. Go smaller, and you lose quality. Go professional, and you deal with weight, regulations, and expensive setups. But that balance might be collapsing. The upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro is shaping up to be more than just another upgrade. It looks like a complete shift in how aerial filmmaking works. For context, earlier models like the Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro already pushed the limits of compact drones. But the Mini 6 Pro is taking things into a completely different category. At the center of it all is a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor. That matters more than it sounds. A stacked sensor reads data faster, which dramatically reduces rolling shutter, the jello effect you see when fast movement distorts footage. The result? Cleaner, sharper, more stable video even during aggressive flight. And the resolution being discussed is serious, 6K at 60 frames per second. That's not small drone quality. That's professional cinema territory. But resolution isn't the only upgrade. The dynamic range is rumored to reach up to 14 stops, meaning the camera can preserve detail in both shadows and highlights at the same time. So sunsets, bright skies, and dark landscapes all stay balanced, without losing detail. One of the biggest rumored changes is a variable aperture system. Instead of being locked to one setting, the drone could adjust from f1.8 to f11 mid-flight. That means no landing, no swapping filters, no interruptions. Just real-time control from the controller. That alone transforms it from a consumer gadget into a professional creative tool. But the real intelligence comes from inside. A dedicated AI co-processor is expected to handle subject tracking, object recognition, and color processing separately from flight control. That means smoother tracking, smarter prediction, and more stable performance under pressure. Even if a subject disappears behind trees or buildings, the drone can predict movement and continue tracking accurately. On the hardware side, weight is still critical. But the Mini 6 Pro is rumored to introduce laser-based navigation, often referred to as LiDAR. Thanks to new silicon-based energy technology, flight times could reportedly reach up to 60 minutes. That completely changes how drones are used. Instead of constantly swapping batteries, creators could film entire sessions with minimal interruptions. For professionals, that means less downtime. For casual users, it means less stress and more freedom. When you combine all of this, sensor upgrades, AI processing, LiDAR navigation, extended flight time, and sub-250G portability, it starts to look like a turning point. A drone that doesn't just compete with larger models, but replaces them for most real-world users. If these leaks are even partially accurate, the Mini 6 Pro won't just be another drone upgrade. It could redefine what compact aerial filmmaking actually means. And maybe, just maybe, the age of big, heavy drones is already coming to an end.